Yeah, that's another thing. I actually finally launched the Akemi Creators Discord so people can start making content. I think this is so if you want, you can actually start making content with my content. Just download it from YouTube, start making shorts. I posted an idea here of how you could do like pretty good money. I mean, there's no cap on how much you can make doing this, but using my content and then becoming an Akemi Lab affiliate, and then but you don't even need to be an affiliate if you don't want to. You could just make money through getting my content to get views. So just like posting content from my content on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. So that'll be a cool opportunity for people. You can sign up if you want. I can put the link in the description if you want to join. So if you want to join the Akemi Creators Discord, I mean, yeah, I'll leave the invite link in the description. But I would say just start doing it as well, because I haven't seen anybody do it yet. Some people are saying they're excited about it, but I still haven't seen anybody actually create any content. So that's something to keep in mind. So that's the purpose of the Akemi Creator Program, is that it will give you the skills to actually like start making content, but you can actually make money from it right away as well. Like you don't need to wait to create your own brand. You can just promote our brand, and I would love that. Or just make content with my content. And again, you don't need to join the affiliate program. So, I'm trying to get y'all inspired here to make some content with my content so we can get this infinity content farm going. Join this only if you're trying to make money clipping content and being an affiliate for our services. Even the Akemi agency services though. That's what I'm saying. You could sell this to people locally in your city or anybody you know. You can be a spokesperson for it. Just get people to fill out the form and we'll do the rest. And just, tell them, send us a message about that specific brand that you sent and I'll give you your cut. Can I download this stream? Because I wrote down notes of timestamps of clips. Ooh, you're a plug. Yeah, you can download any of my streams. So I'm pretty sure you can just find a YouTube video downloader, and once I'm done with the stream, it'll publish in the live section of my channel, and then you can just download it. So you just click it, you copy the URL, you go here, boom, download it. And yeah, I would say just create your own like page, maybe call it like Ecom Clips or something, and just start posting clips. I'm late for the live. Is the video going to be on your YouTube channel? Yep. So all the lives get saved as their own videos in the channel, but we're also going to start posting clips of the lives. So don't worry. You'll start seeing a lot of really, really good clips. So you don't even have to watch the whole lives if you miss them. You'll be able to see some really good clips on the channel, on just the main channel as their own independent videos, but I'm still going to keep making the same videos that I make right now. It'll just be a good way to add more variety to the channel without me having to make more videos, I just like making videos through streams. I feel like we are able to get a lot more interesting stuff